Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the value of trigonometric function. So, dear children, in earlier classes we have to discuss the value of trigonometric ratio for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So, these value of trigonometric ratio of an angle is same as the trigonometric ratio we have discussed in earlier classes. Okay. So now in this video we see the following table for value of trigonometric function. So let me draw a table for the values of trigonometric function. Okay. So we have to draw a table. This is ratio or trigonometric function, and this is angle. Okay. This is 0 degree. Okay. This is pi by 2 means 30 degree. 45 degree means pi by 4. Next 60 degree means pi by 3. Pi by 3. Next 90 degree means pi. Okay. Pi by 2. Pi by 2. Next is pi degree. Pi radian. Next is 3 pi by 2 radian. Next is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So this is sine function. Okay. This is sine function. Next is cos. Next is tan. Cot. Next is sec. Next is cosec. Here we have to draw the table for the values of trigonometric function, means sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. So we have know the value of 0 radian. Okay. This is 0 or pi by 2. Is 1 by 2, and next pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Next is root 3 by 2, and pi by 2 is 1. Okay. This is already discussed in earlier classes, means class 10. The value of trigonometric ratio 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. And as we know, cos is opposite of sine. So we have write 1 root 3 by 2 and 1 upon root 2. Next is 1 by 2 and this is 0. Okay, and we also know how to find the value of tan theta. Means tan, as we know, tan equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So the value of tan 0 means we have to divide sin 0 by cos 0. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. This is 1 upon root 3, and this is 160 is tan 60 is root 3, and pi by 2 means 90 is undefined. Okay, and same chord is reciprocal of tan. So this is undefined root 3 1 by root 3 and 0. Okay, next sec is determined by, as we know, sec equal to 1 upon cos. So 1 upon cos means 1. This is the value 1. Okay, and next is 2 by 3. 2 by root 3 reciprocal of cos. This is root 2. This is 2, and this is infinite. Okay, and again cosec is reciprocal of sec. So here write infinite 2 square root 2, and this is 2 by root 3 and 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, and next here the value of pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So we have to write with the help of circular system pi radian. Means first we have to draw this circle where explained in earlier video. This is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, this is minus 1 comma 0, and this is 0 comma minus 1. Okay, so this is pi. So here first position represent cos, and second is sin. So sin pi is 0, and again minus 1 and 0. Here cos is minus 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Minus 1 0 1. Next for the tan. So for the tan, sin upon cos. So 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. Here minus, this is infinite, and this is 0. 0 infinite 0. Okay, and next for the cot. So this is cos upon sin. So minus 1 divided by 0 is infinite, and 0 divided by 1 is 0, and 1 divided by 0 is infinite. Okay, and for the sec is sec equal to 1 upon cos. So 1 divided by cos. So this is minus 1, and 1 divided by 0. So this is infinite. Again 1 divided by 1 equal to 1, and cosec equal to 1 upon sin. So this means 1 divided by the value of sin. So 1 divided by 0 is infinite. 1 divided by minus 1 is 1. 1 divided by 0 is infinite. Okay, so these are the value of trigonometric function for sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so this is, keep in your mind what will be the value of sin 0 degree, pi by 2, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi for all trigonometric functions. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the next topic, sign of trigonometric function. Okay, so how the various trigonometric function in the fourth quadrant, okay, we will discuss. So first let us consider a unit circle whose center is coordinate axis. Okay, means whose center origin of the coordinate axis. This is O and this is a point P. Okay, whose coordinate is A comma B, and where the circle cut the coordinate axis A B C D. So A whose coordinate is 1 comma 0, B is 0 comma 1, C minus 1 comma 0, D 0 comma 1. Okay, and here central angle is X. So dear children, as we know, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Clear? So as we know, in first quadrant the ordered pair is positive, in second quadrant negative, positive, in third quadrant negative, in fourth quadrant positive, negative. Okay, this is X dash, Y dash. So dear children, in first quadrant the value of A and also we have to find out cos X equal to A, sin X equal to B. Okay, so in first quadrant the value of A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0. So here all trigonometric function is positive. In first quadrant all trigonometric function all positive. Okay, all is positive, means sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. But in second quadrant A is less than 0, B is greater than 0. Okay, A is less than 0, B is greater than 0. So this means sin X equal to B and cos X equal to minus A. Okay, so here we are find in second quadrant sin X and cosec X is positive and remaining are negative. Okay, and in third quadrant A is less than 0, B is less than 0. So both sin X equal to B, cos X equal to minus A. Okay, so sin X is negative, cos X is negative. So after using relation, so other trigonometric ratio out of 4, tan X and cot X is positive and remaining is negative. Okay, and similarly in fourth quadrant we have seen A is greater than 0, B is less than 0. So this means sin X is negative, cos X is A. Okay, so in fourth quadrant cos X and sec X is positive and remaining are negative. Okay, so this is also remembered by the formula after school to college. keep in your mind, all school to college. Okay, all means all positive, school means sine and its reciprocal cosec. Positive tan means 2 means tan and cot positive, and C college means cos and its reciprocal sec is positive. Okay, so this is keep in your mind. We have to remember the different sign in different quadrant system. In first quadrant, all ratio, all trigonometric function is positive. In second, sine and cosec is positive, and third, tan and cot positive, and fourth, cos and sec are positive. Okay.